How you doing, guys? Jeevan Singh here again, and I've got another short video for you today on how to answer maths questions, so the best way to answer them. Okay, so answering exam style questions is the ability to link the content with the problem in question. So you're just literally taking the theory from the textbook, the revision guide, and linking it with the content in the question. Okay, so answering exam style questions on a regular basis you'll develop a natural instinct for this. You know, you'll see at first glance what topic it relates to. For example, if you see a right angle triangle in a question, it can only mean two things. It could only relate to Pythagoras theorem or the SOHCAHTOA. A normal triangle would relate to more advanced trigonometry, so the sine and cosine rules. Another example is whenever you see a circle, you might have to use the formulas for the area of the circumference, or it could even be a circle theorem question. So by identifying what topic it involves, you already limit the calculations involved. It's kind of like a mind map, sort of links from you got your question, and then you link to the topic, and then from there you can link to the kind of calculations or formulas involved. Then it's just a case of what formulas and calculations you use, what's been given in the question, and what side or angle have you been looking for, etc., etc. Sometimes in questions it's best to work backwards. You start at the end result and then you reverse engineer. So if you think about circle theorem questions, you cannot find the angle you're looking for in the first instance. You'll have to work out all the angles surrounding it or nearby, and then you move closer and closer to the angle you're looking for. So whenever you approach a question, pinpoint the topic involved and then think about the calculations. Underlining the keywords and values, it helps you to, gets you to think about what topics it relates to. Then you just got to think about the question. So what is it they're specifically looking for? What are they specifically asking you to find? What information has already been given to you? How can you use this information to shape your answer? If you perform this calculation, will it bring you a step closer to that all-important answer? You always got to think one or two steps ahead when you're answering a maths question. It's kind of like you've answered the whole question in your head, you've done it mentally before following it through on the page. And as I said before, with practice you will develop a knack for this, so you'll know what you're looking for and how to answer those kind of questions. But that's pretty much it for this video. So again, if you found it useful, remember to hit the like button and leave a comment below.